Hey everybody, I am coming on real quick to celebrate with you because I just passed my 500 subs mark and I'm so happy, and I wanted to share the joy. I wanted to first of all give a big shout out and thank you to Mandy, Mixed Media Queen. She helped me a whole lot with my growth. Tree Trimmer 82 and his growth stream really helped a lot, as did Pusa Studios, and I will put all of their links in the description box below. If you are looking for ways to grow, follow these folks and listen to what they say, and it can help you too. So anyways, I am thrilled to be past 500. It took a long time, but it went really fast after I connected with these folks. So thank you, all of you. And to celebrate, I'm doing a giveaway. So I just thought I would show you real quick what you'll get if you win the giveaway. So this is a little kind of an accordion book that I made. And it's kind of a sewing theme. Kind of not, but it opens out like this, and it's got a bunch of tuck spots. I made it actually with envelopes, so there's little cards in here, and there's a card in here. It says hello friend. I hope this is in frame. And there's a little place where you can write here and you can write there. And then if you turn it over, there's a little notepad with different papers in it. There is another tuck spot here with a card in it that you could write on. And there's some little cards tucked in here. And it just all folds up real cute like that. You could tuck it in your purse if you wanted that note card in there to write on, or give it to a friend, or keep it for yourself, but I'm giving you that. I am giving you 2 bottles of Lumiere metallic paint, Pearl Violet and Metallic Olive. They're really pretty colors. A yard of lace. You get this little clip too. I'm just going to leave it on here. Fun little clip. Here is a paper clip dangle that you can put in your journal, on a journal page, on your purse, sit in frame. It has an E on it, so you could either take it off if your initial is an E, or give it to someone whose initial is E, or not care, like I don't. When I have stuff dangling on my journal pages that have initials that aren't mine. So that's that. I have a sheet of Jane Davenport stickers that you can use in your journals. I have some watercolor tags. They are embossed and painted. There's a set of 4 of those, double-sided. And then I also just kept the little pieces that came off the sides that I embossed. They're just fun to stick on journal pages or wherever, so I'm going to include those as well. Another little clip. And you may have seen this cover that I did on this book. It's a woodworking book that used to belong to my dad. But I'm not going to do woodworking, and I know he doesn't care that I'm turning it into an altered book. But I'm going to give this away too. So I decorated the front cover when I did a collaboration with Julia McNeil back in the spring, I think it was, for Daffodil something or other. You'll find the video, or I can put an iCard up there if you want to see how I did this. But anyways, if you're into altered book journaling, it's got nice heavy pages, and I just thought maybe somebody would enjoy having that and journaling in it. So brand new, not brand new, altered book, a new altered book journal. How's that? So a nice little bundle. I would like to get it if it were me, so I'm hoping that you would like to get it too. So if you would like a chance to be the winner of this little package and celebrate my 500 mark, just subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Leave a comment underneath this video telling me that you subscribed, and also share this video out to a Facebook group, to Twitter, to a friend. Share it somewhere. Share the love, folks. Just share the love. And make sure that you follow those links. Go subscribe. At least subscribe to Mandy, Mixed Media Queen. She has an art channel, an art and craft channel. So I know that there's content there that you will enjoy. She does a lot of live streams, which are fun to sit in on. And that's it. So thanks again to everybody who helped me get here. And thanks to everybody who will sign up to try to win this little packet of goodies. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.